Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to sign up for TikTok. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to create a new account for TikTok, the first thing to do is to make sure that you've downloaded the TikTok app on your Android device or your iOS. If you've not done that yet, go to your Play Store or your App Store. In the search box at the top, search for TikTok with the help of a keypad, and once you do that, you'll end up in this page. The application will be displayed at the top. Right next to it, tap on the install button in order to download the application. In my case, I've already downloaded the application, so it is showing me the open button. Simply tap it on in order to launch the app open. The first interface of TikTok will look like this. If you'd like to sign up for a new account, you can use one of the options displayed right under sign up for TikTok. You can use your phone number or your email, sign up with Facebook, Google, and even Twitter. You can also browse through TikTok videos without an account by tapping on Browse as Guest. Let me tap on the first option that says Use phone or email. Now, you'll need to go ahead and enter your birthday information. Select your date, year, and month from the toggle menu at the bottom. Soon after you do that, tap the Next button in red. On the next page, you can either enter a mobile number or enter your email address for signing up. Let me choose email address. Make sure to type in a valid email address and tap Next. In order to continue, complete the puzzle. On the next page, create a password for your account. Make sure to type in the password that is 8 to 20 characters long. It must include letters, numbers, and special characters. Type in the password that is easier for you to remember and difficult for others to guess, and tap Next. Now, on the next page, you'll need to create a username for yourself. Type in the username of your choice in the text box and make sure to choose a unique username. If your username is valid, you'll be able to see a green tick mark at the right corner. You can also pick a username from the suggested list at the bottom. After you're happy with your username and you're ready to sign up, tap the sign up button. Wait for a few seconds, and that is how you can easily sign up for a new account on TikTok. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner and you'll end up in your profile for your TikTok. Start by creating your first video by tapping on the plus button at the bottom, and you'll be good to go. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.